Hey kids, it's Mr. Mendoza, and it's time for art. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute bunny just in time for Easter. So today I'm going to be laying out color in the beginning with pink and then coming over and going over dark. So first things first, we're going to do the head of the bunny. It's a little light pink circle. Then I'm going to connect a little body, starting kind of under the head. And have a second bigger circle. Alright. Then next I'm going to kind of just do a little squiggle to make the tail. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, so we're coming over the dark color and going to fix whatever we don't like. It's kind of like sketching. And next I'm going to start to do the ears. So I'm going to do one first. And this one I'm going to make pointy at the top, so a little curve up. Alright, and then I'm going to try to match it on this side. A little curve up. Remember, it's okay if it's not perfect. Just practice or just for fun. Alright, then I want to do the feet. So what I'm going to do here is do like a C shape. See that C shape? And I'm going to do another one right here. Okay, now I'm just going to drag them into the body line. Like that. Then I'm going to do a back leg here. Since it's sideways, we only see this side. And do kind of a C shape here and tuck that one in too. Then I'm going to do a bigger C shape for the leg here. The hind leg. There we go. Alright, then what I want to do next is do a little X for the mouth and the nose. And kind of put some spots where the eyes are going to go really quick, because I'm going to come back to that a little later. Alright, we'll take a quick look at it. Looking good. Alright, moving on. So, let's start with the face. So right here I'm going to take this little V shape, kind of define my nose. I'm going to take this X that I made, the crisscross X, and make that into a little W. Like that. Then if I want to put a little chin. Alright. Now I'm going to darken these eyes. Like a slanted little oval, slanted little dots. Then see this little circle we made? I'm going to kind of make his cheeks, or her cheeks, a little more puffy. So I'm going to turn that circle kind of into a little pear shape at the bottom, or bell shape. I'm darkening between the ears. Now that circle I did with the pink in the beginning, it's just to help me get the shape of the bunny, so I don't need to use the whole pink. I can kind of skip some of those steps I did before. So I'm just going to outline these ears here. There we go, around the shape of the head. Around that head shape here. There we go. Next, what I want to do is just make some zigzag lines in the ears, just give it some fuzz. Like fuzzy ears. Looking pretty good. Alright, next what I want to do is under here by the chin, I'm going to make some fur in the front of the chest here. Just a little zigzag. Then I'm going to round off the back. I'm going to go back over these C shapes. And if you don't like the shape you made in pink, it's okay to change it. Like this foot here in the back. You may want it a little bit longer. You can change it a little bit. And maybe I'm going to connect the C shape up here. I'm going to connect these two. There we go. Connect the belly. I'm going to do a little fluffy little tail. Then for these feet, I'm just going to add little curved lines to give this little bunny some toes. 2 or 3 lines, up to you. Depending how many you can fit. Okay, the last step, let's give it some whiskers. So right here where the W is, in that space, I'm going to drag out just a few little whiskers. Alright, pretty cute, right? Alright guys, fun drawing with you. See you next time and happy Easter.